open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight.
Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today I am going to do a traditional Gaye Holud or Haldi Night makeup look for you. In this tutorial, I have done a bright eye makeup which matches my outfit and my flower jewelries. For this video, I have made these flower jewelries by myself. I'm not an expert, so please excuse my mistake. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to get instant notification of my new videos. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight to the video. So I have already done my eyebrow off camera. If you want to see my eyebrow tutorial, I'll give the link in the description box below. And now I am carving out my eyebrow with a concealer. Here I am using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer and the shade is C7. And I am applying this concealer all over my eyelid with a flat MAC brush. And then I am patting the concealer. And now I'm gonna set this concealer with a loose powder from Makeup Revolution, and the powder name is Lace. And now I am taking this beautiful golden highlighter from Makeup Revolution Blush Goddess palette, and I'm highlighting my brow bone with a flat eyeshadow brush. And now I'm gonna stick this post-it. You can use sellotape if you want. And today I am going to use my NYX Bright Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and I am taking this pink eyeshadow and using my Sigma blending brush, and this is E38. I am applying this on my crease area and blending this with a small circular motion. And this is my transition color here because I am going for a very bright eyeshadow look. I am using a pink color as my transition shade. And then I'm going to apply this matte orange eyeshadow color with the same brush. I'm applying this on my crease, but this time I'm applying this on my inner crease. So you can see a beautiful orange pinkish ombre look. And now I'm taking a small angle brush and I'm cutting my crease. I'm just doing a half cut crease here, and this is just a guideline. And then I'm taking this black eyeshadow from Too Faced Gold Chocolate Bar palette and using my Zoeva 227 brush, I'm applying this on outer third of my eyes and blending this very well. With a small angle brush, I am applying the Makeup Revolution concealer on my lid where I have already outlined my cut crease. And now I am taking this bright yellow color and with a flat eyeshadow brush I'm gonna applying this inner third of my eyelid. This eye makeup is very easy and you can change your eyeshadow color according to your dress color. Then I am taking this teal color, and this color is not matte, it's kind of shimmery eyeshadow, and I'm applying this on the middle of my lid. Then I'm taking this parrot green eyeshadow and I'm just applying this where I have applied my yellow color and teal color, so you can't see any harsh line. Then I'm taking my purple eyeshadow and apply this where I have applied my teal color and black color. You can see all the colors, but yet there is no harsh line. And now I'm gonna line my eyes with a NYX matte eyeliner, and I am making a very thin eyeliner here. And now I am removing my post-it and you can see the crisp line. Now I'm gonna apply a kohl pencil on my tight line and my waterline. And yeah, my eyes are very sensitive and very watery. You can see like I'm crying. Now with the makeup remover wipes, I'm wiping out any fallout from my under eye area, and then I'm again applying that kohl pencil. This is the Rimmel Lasting pencil. And now I'm taking a brown eyeshadow from Chocolate Bar palette again and applying this under my lower lash line. You can use any brown eyeshadow of your choice. Then I'm curling my eyelashes with a lash curler. Today I'm not going to use any false lashes. And now I'm gonna apply a few coats of mascara. This is the Primark PS mascara. This mascara is just a bomb. You should try this mascara once in a life. Moving on to my face makeup. Today I'm going to use my Embryolisse Cream Concentrate as a moisturizer and a makeup primer. It's gonna last my makeup all day long and it will give me hydration as well. After that, I am going to use a liquid highlighter. This is the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter, and I'm going to apply this on my cheekbone, on my chin and bridge of my nose, and then I am gonna blending this with Real Technique stippling brush. This is gonna give me a healthy glow. And then I'm gonna color correct my under eye area and my mouth area, and I'm using Maybelline red corrector pen for this. You just need a tiny bit to hide your dark circle and pigmentation, and I'm blending this with my ring finger. For foundation, today I'm going to mix two of my favorite foundation. First one is Maybelline Superstay Foundation and second one is Huda Beauty Foundation. Both foundations are full coverage and long lasting. If you want a drugstore option, you can go for Maybelline. If you want a high-end option, you can go for Huda Beauty. And using my Orange Beauty blender, I am blending this all over my face. You can see the coverage. Then I'm going to highlight my face with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and my shade is C7 for highlighting. And I'm applying this under my eye area, around my mouth area and bridge of my nose and my forehead. This concealer is just £4, but you can compare this with a Tarte Shape Tape concealer. And I'm blending this with my same Orange Beauty blender. So what I'm doing here, I'm not blending my under eye area first. First, I'm blending my other areas of my face, and then I'm gonna spray a bit of setting spray on my beauty sponge. Then I'm gonna blend my under eye area. So my under eye area will not crease all day. And then I'm gonna setting my face with this Lace loose powder. This is from Makeup Revolution. This powder has a slightly pinkish undertone, that's why it will brighten up your face. And with a fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'm applying this under my eye area. Here I'm baking my face because you want a full coverage long lasting makeup on your big day, right? Now I'm going to apply this loose powder all over my nose because compared to other part of my face, my nose is the most oily part. Then I'm applying this powder on my mouth area using my damp beauty blender. Then I'm dusting off all the powder using the same Real Technique stippling brush. See, you don't need so many brushes to do your makeup. This loose powder is very good for oily to combination skin. Now I'm gonna take the same black eyeshadow and blending my under eye area to give it a more blended look. And then I'm using the same highlighter shade and apply this on my inner corner. And now I'm gonna contour my face with NYX contour kit, and I'm taking the light contour shade. I'm contouring my cheekbone, my jawline and my nose. Here I'm using my Morphe nose contour brush to contour my nose, and then I'm gonna apply a lipstick. This is Colourpop Mama. It's a very beautiful orangish type of lipstick. You can choose your lipstick color according to your dress color. And now I'm gonna apply a blush. This is the MAC Cheeky Beats, and I love this blush so much. This is kind of shimmery pink blush. And this is the extra part, you don't need to do this. I'm taking the same loose powder again, and with the help of my beauty blender, I am applying this on my nose area and my cheek area just under my contour so that I can get a sharp contour look. So for my highlighting today, I am going to use this beautiful golden highlighter from Makeup Revolution Blush Goddess palette. As you can see, I already hit the pan. I love this color so much. And with my favorite blank canvas brush, I am applying this on my cheekbone, and I'm taking a very small tiny brush and applying the highlighter on the bridge of my nose. Then I'm dusting off my loose powder with my Real Technique brush, and then I'm gonna curl my eyelashes again, because I have already told you before that I'm not going to use any sort of false lashes today, because I want to keep my eyes very natural yet very festive and colorful. And now I'm gonna set my makeup with my favorite Too Faced Hangover. This setting spray is just the best setting spray, and it's my most favorite setting spray nowadays. So yeah, here I am done. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. All are Shahnaz Shimul. So see you all in my next tutorial. Until then, bye.
Dripping